right, here's another video brought to you by LS Kid Zone. Dude one has something he's gonna open up. What do you have there, buddy?
A baby shark winder up.
Baby shark winder up. Let's see that. Whoa, so it's Pinkfong Baby Shark Sing and Swim Bath Toy. That looks pretty cool. Let's open it up. Alright. Open this thing up. What do you think, bud?
Good.
What does it do?
Sing.
It sings. Can you show us? How do you get to work?
And only press this to turn it on.
Oh, okay. We got here. You want to bring it over here? Let me see it. Looks like these two buttons here is actually activated when it's in the water. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And then it swims into the water. That looks like fun. Who are your friends next to you? Sitting next to you?
Mike and Baby Olaf.
Baby Olaf? Who's the Mike? Is that Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc.?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool. I like your outfit. What's on your outfit?
Lightning McQueen.
Cool. All right, bud. You want to take him outside and play with him in your pool?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. What do you think, Baby Shark? Should we take it outside and play with it?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. That would be fun. Ready to try out the Baby Shark at the pool? We set up the alligator pool and the fish pool.
Can I pet him?
All right. Whoa, look at that. It's swimming.
Oh, I'm pushing the thing.
Cool. Look. That's pretty cool, huh? It swims when it goes in the water. That's cool, dude. And look, let's hear it play the song. Can you guys do the Baby Shark dance? How? Do it. Whoa, look at it go. And around the pool. Baby Shark. Dude one. Dude one. Why don't you see if it go down the slide? Let's go down the slide with the Baby Shark. Can it go? Wow! Oh, it got stuck. Oh, there it goes. We got the cool alligator pool. And the fish pool. And the turtle pool. All right, let's hear it sing. And the two dudes are on the run, splashing and playing. And the Baby Shark is out. Get it back in the water, guys. I stole Baby Shark. Bring him back. He needs to be in the water. And it's the battle over the Baby Shark. There it is. And she's back in the water. And the dude want to too has the Baby Shark. And they're back in the pool. Yeah, Baby Shark swimming. All right, the two dudes playing with the Baby Shark. Did you guys like the Baby Shark?
Yes.
Cool. All right, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe.